Everyone, my name is Bhavish Lohar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. So again we are back on my digital electronics series. So in that we have completed basically K-map and some of the topic that is remain related to the K-map. So we are continuing. I took a question over here. Okay, so basically we'll solve question and some of the topics are there that will be clear. Okay. So we are clearing some topics, that is implicant, prime implicant, and what are the essential prime implicant. Okay, this is also based on K-map only, so that's why I took this topic also. So three variables are there, that is ABC, that is MSB, and this is LSB. Okay, so I am just making a K-map. Okay, 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and this is the basically. This I have not taught you, but this is basic what this is small and says that the min-terms. I already taught you this is 0, like 0 0. This is the 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. I am just writing this A part and this BC part. Sorry. 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. Understood? So 0 0 means 0. This is 1. This is 3. This is 2. This is what? 4. This is 5. This is 7 and this is 6. Understood? So this is way you can write it. So these are the terms where min terms you need to write. Okay. So what this is 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So similarly I am drawing again this. Okay. Now I am writing directly 1 and 0, whatever min terms are given in the question. Okay, now 0 is given, means 1 will come. Okay, means min terms mean at this position, at 0 position 1 is there. Now 1 also there. At 3 position, this is all 3. At 4 position, at 6 position, at 7 position, this is 6, there 1 will become. There 7 is there in this question. Okay, means this 0 1 3 4 6 7, what is telling, what it means? Basically it means that min term is there, means 1 will come at this position, 1 will come. Understood? And rest the remaining is 0. Understood? This is clear to all, right? Now how this is there. Okay, so whatever the question is given, I wrote in the K-map, I form in the K-map. Now what is the question they ask? They ask about the prime implicant, implicants, and essential prime implicant. So first we'll see what is implicant. Implicants I will write always I capitalize some. Okay, so I will not write full form implicant. Somewhere in next question I will just write I only. Okay, so implicant means number of 1 present in the K-map. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 2 is 0. So number of implicants is 6. Now prime implicants. Prime implicants means formation of possible groups. I already taught you that basically there is a 8 block. Okay, 3 variables means 8 possibilities. Okay, so 3 variable 8 possibility, but all are not 1, so you can't make a group of 8. Now you can go for the 4 group. 4, there is not possibility of forming the 4 group. Here also it not possible. Here it is not possible. Here it is not possible. So what we do, we basically form the group of 2. 2 is possible. Okay, this is my first group, second group, third group, 4 group, 5 group, 6 group. Okay, this is the possibility of group which we can form. Okay, so possibility, you just need to find out the possibilities of forming the group. Understood? So now group is basically how much? 6. Now what we need to find? Essential prime implicant. Essential prime implicant, that you need to see. Essential prime implicant says that means this is also part of group only, that is there. But suppose this group, suppose I made this group. If I open this group, so this can make a group with this one can make with this. Okay, so means none of the thing is alone. So here there is this is not a basically a because it is also forming with this and it is also forming this. If I break this group and if I break this group, then this one will have a group with this and this will have this with this one. Okay, so means this is not an essential. Essential means which is compulsory required. So if I break this group, then this will make with this will make with this. So this is also not an essential group. If I make this group, if I break this group, if I break this group, so this one will make with group pair with this will make pair with this. Understood? So this is also not a part of this essential prime implicant. And if I make this, so this will make for this will make this, and if I make with this will make for this and this will make for. So means basically what happened basically, if I am breaking this group that I made in essential prime implicants, if I break this pair and if I form essential prime implicant, but there is not a forming of essential prime implicant. Why? Because if I am suppose this, I am taking example of this pair, because if I break this pair and if this one wants to make a pair, he can make it, can make with this also one can make it. Okay, so basically in this case the essential prime implicant, finally answer of essential prime implicant would be 0. Okay, we'll take we'll solve one or more questions. So basically we'll clear it out basically how the essential prime come in. Okay, essential prime implicant comes. Okay, what is the prime implicant? We'll see one more example so it will be clear better. Okay, we'll see one more example. So I took one more example. Same, you need to find the basically prime implicants, essential prime implicant, and that all. Okay, and same, the min term is given, you just need to. So in what I did basically, previously we did a K-map. Okay, we solved the K-map directly, 1s and 0 are present, but now they are giving in the min terms form. Okay, so what we are doing basically, we will see first. Okay, now we'll see, we'll form a K-map first. 3 variable K-map will make. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood? So 0 is given first, then 2 is there, right? That is 2, 3. This will not come, this will become 0. 1 is not there, right? 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 will become. Understood? So this I form basically. See, min term is given 0, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 one min terms will be there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and position you know, right? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I think this is clear. Now basically they are telling first implicants, means how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the box just you need to see how many implicants are there. So 6. Now prime implicant is what? Prime implicant means you just need to form a group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6. Understood? And now basically you need to find essential prime implicant. Okay, so essential prime implicant, that is the which is there, which is not common to both. Okay, that you need to see. Suppose if I make this, I form a group, but if I break this group, then this will basically forming with this one will make form group pair with this one will pair with this. Similarly, if I make this group, if I break this group, the group or pair you can say, then this pair one will make a pair with this one will make a pair with this. Similarly, this will make with this will make with this. Similarly, this and this, means in this case also we are getting the essential prime implicant 0. Understood? We'll take one more example so we can see that basically essential prime implicant arrived. Okay, so I think this much is clear to all, that how we are forming the group and what is the question asked. Okay, so given question is in the form of min terms, and they told us to find out the essential prime implicant and prime implicant, so that is we solved. Okay, so we'll see one more example. We'll solve one more question based on it. Okay, implicants, prime implicant and essential prime implicant. So now in this question basically what they have given, basically max term have given. Okay, so this is my max term. Okay, I just taught you basically to find out the min terms, but here basically they have given in max form. So what first we will do, we will convert this max term into min terms. How we have to always see when this max term is always inverse of basically min terms. So min terms, how we can write this is in small m. Okay, so whatever 2 is there, 2 3 4 is there, like three variables are there, means maximum possibilities are there, basically total 8 min terms will there. Okay, so 3 variables a b c are there, means 3 variables will be basically what, 3 variables means basically you will get the 8 min terms. 2 3 4, 3 is already gone, so we are left with basically how many, 5, and converting basically max term into min terms. Okay, so see, we have 3 variables a b c, so you will get a min terms like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, this min terms you will get. Now this 2 3 and 4, it is in basically in the max form. So how many digits are left? 1 0 1 5 6 7. This will be basically act as a min terms. So we'll write 0 1 5 6 7. Okay, this will basically what, this is in the min form. Okay, then so question given in the max form, we have converted basically into the min form. Okay, min terms, and this is max term. Now what will we do, basically we form the K-map. You can form a K-map in this also. Okay, it is not compulsory that you can form in, basically we saw basically pos form. Okay, max term based on pos form, min terms based on, that is in soft form. Understood? So you can make, but we learned the API and prime implicant and essential prime implicant in this. Now that's why I'm writing 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay, now basically just note it down the min terms on the K-map. So this 0 position 1 2 3 0 5 6 7. Okay, now just form a pair. Now basically first is essential prime implicant. Essential prime implicant will be 1 2 3 4 5. Prime implicant, just form the group 1 2 3 4. You can't make this, so that is 4. Essential prime implicant. Essential prime implicant means that is the essentially required, which can't form which can't pair with any other. If I break it, suppose if I break this pair, this one can make pair with this, then make a pair with this, but this can't. So this will be basically one essential prime implicant. Okay, suppose if I break this part, this one can make with this one can make with this. Suppose if this pair I break it, then this one will make with this, and this one will. If I break this, if I make this pair, then this one will make with this, but this one can't make pair with anybody, because there is no one here, there is no one here, or there is no one with this side, so it can make it. So the essential prime implicant for this case is basically 2. Understood? So this is the important, that is, if I break the pair, whatever I form, if that pair having the ones which make pair with another, then it is not essential. If I see in this case, basically one pair is one, this one is making pair with this, but this is not forming with any other, right? There is no one here, there is not one over here, so it can make pair. So this is an essential primary which will come in the original expression. Okay, so this is, I think, understood to all. Okay, so I think this much is completed. Whatever the related to the K-map is there, we'll move now with the further topic, whatever there in this. Okay, whatever we list down. So I think this much K-map is clear, and we saw some of the examples based on it, and we saw the pos, soft, and basically essential prime implicant and prime implicant. That is the important question. Okay, and this much is clear related to the K-map. Okay, so I think this much is clear to all. So just practice whatever I taught related to the K-map. Okay, so this much is clear. So we'll study the next topic in the next class. Okay, whatever topic I taught, just see, just make a note of it. Okay, and then just solve few of the question based on it. If any doubt is there, then just comment me in the comment box, so we'll rectify that doubt. Okay, so if you like this content, whatever I'm teaching you, just like and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much.